come make Mother Nature's cereal. Strawberries, blueberries, pomegranates, cranberries, raspberries, cherries, pomegranate juice, and crushed ice. Rinse your raspberries under cool water. Add your raspberries to the bowl, like so. Soak your strawberries in salt and water. You're going to strain your strawberries. You're going to rinse them off. Cold water. Clean strawberries. Cut your pomegranate in fours. Add your pomegranate seeds to your raspberries like so. Take your frozen pitted cherries and add them on top. Take a 1/4 cup of fresh cranberries and add a frozen blueberry. Add 1 cup of fresh strawberries, 1 cup of pomegranate juice. Mix, 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 mix. Add your crushed ice. Mix again. Mother Nature's cereal.